If your dreams include financial freedom, Forex trading might be your ticket. Let's get started with Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals. First, familiarize yourself with the basics. Forex trading is all about buying and selling currencies. Think of it as exchanging money for your next vacation, but on a global scale. Next, choose a reliable broker. This will be your platform for making trades. Do your research and pick one that suits your needs. Now practice with a demo account. It's like training wheels for your Forex journey. Get comfortable before using real money. Fourth, stay informed. Economic news and trends can impact currency values. Websites, apps, and even YouTube channels like ours can keep you updated. Finally, start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Build your confidence and skills over time. And remember, Kohinoor Free Gold Crypto Forex Trading Signals is here to guide you. Subscribe for more tips and visit our website, link in the description. Happy trading!